Assalamualaikum students. How are you everyone? Alhamdulillah, I'm also good. Thank you. Okay students, today I'm going to take your mathematics class. So I am going to discuss one creative question at first. Okay students, now I am going to at first share a photo. You will write it in your copy. Okay? Okay, now I am going to read out. Everyone look at your copy. Mina has 250 taka 25 paisa. She bought a glass with 120 taka 75 paisa. Number A. How many paisa does Mina have? How many taka will she get back? Rana has 500 taka. If he buy a glass, then how many taka will he get back? So at first I am going to solve number A. How many paisa does Mina have? That means you need to find out in total how many paisa was with Mina. Okay students? We know 1 taka equal to 100 paisa. Then 250 taka equal to 100 into 250 paisa. If we multiply 100 with 255, then the answer will be 2500 and 0 paisa. You can do a rough, or if you can do it, then you can. Okay, then therefore I'll write here Mina has, will add. If we add, then there will be 5 and 0, 5, 2 and 0, 2. There are nothing, then 0, 5 and 2. Did you get it? Okay, number B. How many taka will she get back? So that means we need to subtract. Mina has this taka and we'll subtract the price of the glass. Okay? At first I will write Mina has how many taka, then we will subtract the price of the glass. So here Mina has 250 taka 25 paisa. Then how many taka did he spend? I will write here she spent how many taka? She spent 120 taka and 75 paisa. Okay, now you will help me to do subtraction. Okay, there are small numbers and there is the biggest numbers. So if there are a small number, then I need to add 1. That means we will make here 125 paisa. If we subtract 75 from 125 paisa, then there will be what? If we subtract 5 from 5, then there will be 0. And if we subtract 12, if we subtract 7 from 12, then there will be 5. 50 paisa. We'll write here taka. Now we have one. We have one. Then we will subtract this one from 250 taka, or you will do it in your subtraction rules. You can follow the rules of subtraction. Okay. If we have now one, then there will be what? 121. If we write here 1, then if we subtract 1 from 9, then there will be 10 from 10, there will be 9. Okay, now we have another one. If we subtract 3 from 5, then there will be 2, and if we subtract 1 from 2, there will be 1. Then she will get back. I'll write here, she will get back 129 taka 50 paisa. So you will write here, she will get 129 taka 50 paisa. Rana has 500 taka. If he buy a glass, then how many taka will he get back? That means there is Rana, there was Meena, but there is Rana. If Rana has 500 taka, and if he bought or if he buy one glass from his taka 500, the price of glass is 120 taka 75 paisa. Then how many taka he will get back? As you will do it, number B, solution B. We will follow the rules of solution B. Okay. Right here, Rana has how many taka? 500 taka.
It's 500 taka.
And the price of a glass. Can you tell me what was the price of the glass?
120 taka. Miss 120 taka.
120 taka 75 paisa.
Miss
75 paisa. Now we will subtract 120 taka 75 paisa from 500 taka. Okay. So I will write here 500 taka. We have paisa here. Then we need to write here paisa also. So how many paisa? Very good. 00 paisa. 00 paisa. Now the price of a glass, 120 taka and 70. How many taka?
It's 380 taka 75. Yeah.
Okay, we have 00 paisa. If we borrow one, then there will be 100 paisa. If we subtract 75 paisa from 100 taka, then there will be 25 paisa. How many taka? How many taka? 1. There will be 9. If we subtract ahead 3, if we subtract 3 from, then there will be 7. And there is 2. If we subtract from 5, there will be 3. 379 taka 25 paisa. Is it clear? Understood?
Yes,
okay, now we will write here. Rana will get 379 taka 25 paisa back, right?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now we'll write answer. Answer A, B, C. Okay? Tell me answer. Tell me the answer of number A.
2,500.
200.
2,500.
No. You have made a mistake. 25,025 paisa. Number A answer will be
Means
25,025 paisa. Rahat, you have made a mistake. Okay, number B. Number B. What will be the answer of number B? Tell me. 129.
Yes, number B. 129 taka 50 paisa.
50 paisa. Okay, good. Now number C.
means 129 taka 50 paisa.
No, number C. 379 taka 25 paisa. Clear? Now I am going to discuss our second topic, and our second topic is put tick mark. And for this you will take out your sheet. You will take your sheet. Choose the correct answer. Okay, and you will help me to solve this. Okay? Okay, number 1. Choose the correct answer. The product of number and 0 is what? Can you tell me, if we multiply any number with 0, then what will be the product? Can you tell me?
It's 0.
0. Okay. Okay. Not O. It's 0. What is O? If you subtract a number with 0, then their product will be O. It's 0. Okay. Now you will multiply 1101 with 9. Then what will be the answer? What will be the answer? 9,909. 9,909. Okay, now number 3. 433 is multiplied by 1 and the product is multiplied by 0. We get what? Number 2A. Number 2A. Okay, number 4. 433 is multiplied by 1 and the product is multiplied by 0. We will get what? If we multiply anything with 0, then answer will be 0. Answer will be 0. 0. If we subtract any number, any digit and multiply with 0, then the product will be 0. Okay, now number 4. Which of the following is equal to, if we multiply it, then what will be? You can do a rough. To find this answer, you can do a rough, but I will tell you answer now. The answer is B. The answer is B. Number 4 is B. Okay, number 5.
B number hobe.
Yes. Okay, number 5. 11 into 900. Answer will be B. This one also answer B. Okay.
Miss B.
Okay, number 5 answer B. Number 6. Number 6. 6,978 multiplied by 10,000 is, answer will be C. Okay, put tick mark on C. Okay, number 7. If we divide any number with 1, then the number will be the quotient. Okay, then C. Number 7 answer C. B. Okay. B. 8 will be answer B. Okay, remainder is always less than what? Dividend, divisor or quotient? Divisor. Okay. A quadrilateral has dash corners. A quadrilateral has corners. 2 corners, 3 corners or 4 corners? 4 corners. It will be 4 corners. Okay. Next, an acute angle is smaller than 90 degrees. Okay, good. Two lines form a vertex, make a shape called an angle. Okay.
Miss Angle.
How do we call outer part of our keyboards? How do we call? Surface. Okay. Now 16 multiplied by 5.
Miss
80.
Surface.
Okay. Multiplicand into multiplier equal to product. Equal to product. Then 17 divided
Miss
by
A-
3.
B. Miss B হবে।
Answer is A. Question 5 and remainder
Miss B.
2. No, number A. 16 number A. 16 number A. Okay, now 17 number. 1 taka is equal to 100 paisa. How many paisa will be in taka 20? Number B. 17 number B. 2000.
মিস 16 নাম্বার কি হবে?
16 number A. 16A. 17 B. 18. 50 paisa plus 50 paisa equal to 100 paisa and 100 paisa equal to 1 taka. 100 notes of 1 taka equal to how many taka? 100 notes of 1 taka is 100 taka. Okay, see. Okay, now 70 taka minus 32 taka 50 paisa. Answer is B. 37.50 taka. Okay, students, that's all for today. This creative question and put tick mark. You will do it at your home, and it will be also your homework. Okay, see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.